Good morning, guys. So today I'm here already sa school here in ACT. And ang Emol. Alas sa mall. And then, kaulan mo siya. People walking. Diba? Good morning, guys. So this is Shan here, and welcome to my vlog. So this is the second time for me to do, second time or third time, fourth time ba? I do a vlog. First video, I think, when I one got off first year college, and now here are my class. Oh, diba? Happy na sila. It's hot. Okay. So, yeah. Sa'yo pa ba? So, wala pa may klase. Alam sa tiba bukas. Yeah. Yes. That's it, guys. I think, this is the fifth time, I think, to do this vlog here. But anyway, guys, thank you for 312 subscribers in live here. Diba? So, current guys, ako silang interview hall kay hindi ka din sa interview hall ako. Alibis Kasag! Ako interview Ako interview so guys. Guys, kami diri kay mga mga teacher. Yan, teacher, ali mo! Mga teacher, diri guys. Ako silang interview hall ko. Usay pinakalisod sa, di ba? Ay, Miss Kasag. Ako interview si Miss Gian karong adlaw, may buta karatong tanan ug karon atong sigaw pakpak si Miss Gian. O karon ma'am, para nimo, unsa may lisod nga subject sa education, BEd? Para nako, ang pinakalisod jud nga. Ang pinakalisod yun nga subject sa kuan. Sa education? Tanan yun. Mao na mag-education mo, ayaw mo pag-education. Pagkuan na lang mo, ano gani mo marking? Kwarta pa mo. Ari mo diri maglingkod mo, mag-demo mo, maghimo lesson plan. Wala mo ka kwarta. Mahurot pa mo kwarta. O manang, na may kwarta sige income. O inyong kontra uwan init ra. Wala, thank you. Salamat Miss Gian. So karon sa pamailain, nagpagwapa pa man sila guys, di ba? Basta mag-education ka rin ba, labi na BEd, dapat nagpagwapa dito guys, kanawa puluspad ko rin ko. Di ba? So, ikaw pa ba, very good, kaya wala pa akong mga kauban na classmate, na feel na mo ang sinolo guys, darawa. Di ba? Sinolo, kanjian. Okay, so yeah guys, so basically I was thinking, but yeah, nakaplano na ko na mga vlog, no? Diba? So, magkuhan ba? Sa Pola? Mag-quiz? Pero katurang ko ano, katong utosan, haha, nakato, i-discuss ba? Yeah. So, parang guys, basically, may bulaing buhato na ito ba? Uy, magtuon ta guys. My class will start at exactly 7 a.m. and until 1 siya. Until 11. Oh yeah, until 12 then. But we don't have any class for afternoon kay nami event karon. So I just wanted to I wanted to also come. Hello! Oh guys! Diba? Para mo ba? Dili na ako ito itaga. Dili, hindi siya matapos. Makeup tutorial! Makeup tutorial! Diba?
Ano yung mo sinaw?
Ikaw tutorial
Hindi ka pumugahi.
siya dyan nila eh. Busy kayo sila guys. Busy kayo sila everyone. We are Asianista. Yes guys. Asianista. Indonesianista. Diba? Naka 37. Ay, ano? So guys, gamay pa kayo, men. Asa naman ang uban?
Yan o, ana,
Ako pa naman agad, di ba? So guys, nato din sa may puntahan. Bang! Cause I want to interview one of my classmates in Sulo nila dire. Like, namin ko mga bata nila. So yeah guys. Kabot na. O na, ano ba? Di ba? But I think wala ka na sila. So, guys, busy rin sila pagwapa. Oh, hello. Please subscribe to my channel. Anyway guys, kung gusto mo, subscribe na. Oh, di ba? We are Tao. Yes, we're Tao. Busy guys sila sa kuwan, sa lang life. I'm magka-stress guys. When you taking this field to all first year, kung mag first year diha, welcome to the world of sa gustong mo, mag-make up, na tutorial, pero nagtalikod sila. Ay, hairstyle? Nag-hairstyle sila, guys. So, nag-wait me sa uban. Wala pa rin sila. Pwede na kami adi. Magwapo na dyan kayo sila, oy. Jesus! Huh? Sana all. Sana all, guys. Pero kami dali kay mga single man dali except ano niya. Di ba? Exemption. Wala na guys. Engage. Di ba? Major in English, yeah. So basically guys, are just going to study for a bit lang. Ay mag-contact kayo please sa follow which is Japanese. So, asa na kasama ni? Anyway guys, asking questions. The question part ko ha. Diba? Busy guys sila. Anyway, everyone, sabi is kita busy. So, study. Let's study today. Let's study everyone for our future. Wait, sa. So, ngayon, this. You can usually compare the statement to yes, no question, just valid the questions part of at the end of the day, basically guys, we are Bachelor of Elementary Education students, and of course, malaki course niya sa yun. Every course ka should be shot, takes effort, nagong sacrifices. So, anyway guys, so I just want to say that mula siya sa yun, everything is lisod, but if you are hardworking, and also have a perseverance in doing the things that you want to do, makayong ka na certain platform sa iyo. But everything guys is under control. Trust yourself, know what you want to do. Yes, I Bachelor of Elementary Education is what ayan topic is okay na dyan siya. Excited naman siya, but in teaching them mo, because you have to build more confidence. Ano din na siya? Then how you especially deliver the topic itself to the students. Labi na mga elementary ang tutuan. So. So, karon everyone is wala po dun sila. As in, naman maling ko dito, everyone. Pero, naman maling ko diri, pero wala pa sila. Dili nga side, wala pa. Ang dili nga side na, like, 5 unom, pinaka, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guys, I think I'm going to study that, but I don't want to film it. So let's go back again. Bye. See ya.
Nagkaon siya guys.
Domo arigatou gozaimashita. Minafang.
At this juncture, half bitaw guys. Nagtuon mo ko ani kay nami quiz. So, si me, wala man nagtuon.
So guys, basically, so that's good.
Pagkauman sa mong klase sa full mga kahigala, so ni move mig another room kay na pa may laing klase sa laing subject.
Angki.
So sa wakas, naabot na jud ko sa among another room and then dara na sige ko lakaw-lakaw, nangita po og kalingkuran. So, morning ang nasa gawas everyone. Stress na jud kay kog dagway mga kahigala. Oh, nako na lang.
O, diba?
One eternity later.
So after I moved to another room, so I couldn't make a video because my phone is low bat na. So that is my last subject kay ang akong afternoon nga klase kay wala madayon akong klase sa afternoon kina may event. We are attending mass and after that is recognition of award for all the board passer from nursing to teachers. And also after that, celebrating a sinulog sa among eskwelahan.
Miss Saman, answer number 2.
Ay, nako.
This award of recognition is presented to in heartfelt recognition of successfully passing the nurses licensure examination last November 2025. A remarkable achievement that embodies unwavering dedication, rigorous professional.
this time, we are looking for our attendance. Importante juga kayo ang attendance mga kahigala.
One eternity later.
Will! Come for real! Mali na din yun. Sunod sa AC. Nice.
So in this time everyone, naulit na ako, dara napaklay-baklay ako. So, nakuha sa may skywalk. So, hali, lakaw sa that. And that's all for today's video, everyone. So, nakasakay na jugog e-bike, everyone. And then, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And bye-bye. Thank you.
Flashback.
The office gets stacked on Andy